In this video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. We'll walk through the steps together so you can easily follow along and pause whenever you need to. Let's dive right in. First, locate the menu icon. It usually looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, and you'll find it in the top right-hand corner of your Facebook app or web page. Tap or click on that icon. This is your gateway to the settings. Next, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap or click on this. Think of this step as opening the door to your Facebook account's control panel. Inside, you'll have access to all the settings that govern your experience. Depending on your Facebook version, you might see Account Center listed. If you do, tap or click on that. Otherwise, you'll proceed directly through your standard Facebook settings. Don't worry if this looks a little different for you, the goal remains the same. Now, within the Account Center or your main settings, look for Personal Details. This section is where you manage information directly related to your profile and account. Tap or click it. The next step is to locate Account Ownership and Control. It might be nested under a few other options, but just keep looking. This section is exactly where we need to be to manage the status of your account. Tap or click it. Once you've done that, you should see an option that says Deactivation or Deletion. This is the key step towards temporarily removing yourself from Facebook. Click on it. Remember, we are temporarily deactivating, not permanently deleting. If you manage multiple accounts or profiles, carefully choose the one you want to deactivate. It's a good idea to double check before proceeding. Once you've selected the correct account, you'll find the option to deactivate account. Tap or click that. Facebook will then ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deactivation. Tap Continue and follow any remaining on-screen prompts. You might be asked to provide a reason for deactivating, but it's not mandatory. And that's it. You've successfully temporarily deactivated your Facebook account. Remember, this means your profile will be hidden from others, but some information, like messages you've sent, might still be visible to recipients. Your name might also remain visible in your friends' lists. Now that you know how to do this, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. We're always adding new content to make your online experience easier. See you in the next video.